welcome back to
17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Okay. This is number two for our
Panera
recipe redo.
Panera redo. So Panera redo. So the first one we did was macaroni and cheese with bumbu putih. So now we're gonna do corn chowder with bumbu merah. It's gonna be like a kick a little bit. So we're just gonna put it here. Okay. I need spoon. Put it here. Okay. This is the clam chowder. No, it's not clam chowder. It's
corn chowder.
Corn chowder.
So this is just the corn chowder that we bought at Panera.
Yeah.
And we're gonna kick it up a notch with our bumbu merah seasoning.
Okay. Put the bumbu merah here. Maybe like half spoon, or yeah, I think it's half spoon. It's it. That's enough.
All right. So remember,
we have some
bumbu merah is gonna have a little kick to it because it's got chilies in it.
You just mix it like that.
And are you putting egg in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Egg in it.
One or two?
One, it's enough.
Okay.
Yeah, hold a second. Yeah, corn chowder is my favorite in Panera, but we're gonna change a little bit with some of Indonesian taste.
What do you think?
So
put the egg in.
Yeah, put the egg. Or do you want to? I like spicy. Do you want?
Yeah, let's put a little bit more. I always like a little extra.
Yeah. Just so we're gonna do like 1 spoon then, guys. Because half spoon before, and we're gonna do another half spoon.
So remember, guys, we always tell you to explore in your kitchen when you're using the seasonings. We mean it because we are doing the same thing.
Okay, put that.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Put some egg here. And
today we're going to use the air fryer again.
Yeah.
And we're going to try this for, what do you think, like 8 minutes?
Yeah, 8 minutes perhaps. Yeah, we're gonna keep.
Oh, did you want to do?
Yes, we're gonna do the cheese.
Which one? We've got Parmesan or Italian.
Let's do Parmesan. Okay, so but before that, we need crunchiness in here. So in Panera, you always get these potato chips. So I'm gonna put potato chips here. Okay, let me hold a second. It's very easy and very fast too. Let's put the potato chips.
I love potato chips.
So, put this there, and then put the, what is this, Parmesan?
That one's Parmesan.
Parmesan, okay. Cheese. Okay. And then again, we're gonna use our okras from
the garden. I just picked them this morning.
Okay. Okay, so you can just put it.
They're nice and fresh, crunchy. Okay.
Okay, so we are ready. That fast, right? It's very fast. So we are ready.
All right, give me that and I'll get it out of the way.
Okay, here, just put it
yes. Potato chip bag.
Yes. Okay. Now it's cooking time. Here we're gonna do like 8 minutes. We're gonna keep checking it.
Oops. Almost.
Okay. See, take a look at that. And put it here. We're gonna do, let's do 8 minutes. All right then.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna go put this away.
yes.
And let's think about the word for the day today.
Okay, the word for the day today is I'm thinking what's gonna be the word for today. What is the word? So what's the word for today?
What's the word for today?
Okay, maybe this word, because we are in a time that we feel so. It's like encouragement word.
Okay. What do you say?
We call it tetap
Tetap
semangat.
semangat.
Yeah.
Tetap semangat.
Yeah. Tetap semangat.
Tetap semangat.
It's like keep fighting.
Tetap semangat.
Yeah. Tetap semangat.
Tetap semangat.
Tetap semangat. Keep fighting.
Okay,
Yeah.
I like that one. Tetap semangat.
Yeah. Tetap semangat. Or you can say semangat. It's like okay. keep
Semangat, semangat.
fighting. Or tetap semangat is like always or keep fighting. Or tetap semangat or just say semangat.
Okay. Tetap
Okay.
semangat.
Tetap
Tetap
semangat.
semangat.
Yeah.
All right.
Tetap semangat, guys. Keep fighting.
So this is one way I'm gonna
Learn Indonesian.
learn Indonesian is by teaching you guys
Yes.
and me at the same time.
Let's check.
Let's go see.
Let's check for 8 minutes, guys. Oh, I need the.
What do you mean? The hand thing?
Yeah, it's
Oh.
gonna be. Oh, here I can use this.
You sure?
It's gonna be hot.
Here.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah. So,
That thing
Okay.
really cooks in 8 minutes.
yeah. Okay, guys. This is 8 minutes. Let me show them for 8 minutes. Okay, try. Hold a second.
All right, this thing is gonna be like totally hot.
That's for 8 minutes.
Yeah. There's no way that I can try this yet.
Try a little bit.
Oh wow. Yeah. Has that little kick from the BUMBU MERAH. Doesn't we put the potato chips in, but they've kind of soaked up a
the
little bit
potato-
of the liquid,
Okay.
so they're not as crunchy.
But that's
We
the-
could have put those in at the end if you wanted the crunch, but
But that's your carbohydrate.
it's got a lot of a nice little crust on the top. Yeah, very interesting. Put the okra on there.
You still have the crunchiness of.
No. Very interesting. All right, so Panera, you might need our BUMBU MERAH seasoning.
Yeah.
So if you guys are watching, hey, maybe we can come up with something.
Yeah. Tastes better.
It's really nice. Yeah. So what an interesting little redo. So like we say at the beginning, you know, you can enhance some of the regular dishes that you already do. And as you can see, we're taking something that we buy in a restaurant and
then-
kicking it up.
Yeah, do something. And then I got a crunchiness from the
Yeah, yeah. Very nice.
from the chip too.
Yeah.
It's different.
Totally different. A new take on corn chowder. Absolutely.
And we have that kind of egg inside too.
And it doesn't overpower.
Uh-huh.
It actually works with the flavors that are already there, which is really nice. It's not taking over. It's not substituting. It's just enhancing it. It's adding to it already. Okay. So. Very good. Great idea. Great idea. Okay, guys, we're going to continue eating here. Thanks again for watching. Remember to
subscribe,
share, like,
and if you have any idea about the recipe,
comment.
Yeah, just write in the comment and then we'll try the recipe with ourselves.
Absolutely. 17,000flavors.cooking. And get your seasoning there. And we look forward to seeing you again with another seasoning, another recipe redo. You never know. We're always coming up with something different. That's what makes this fun. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.